Welcome to Zen and the Art of Movies, and this is number 3 this morning. And we've been working with Killing Eve and the ambiguity of a dilemma. Do you have a dilemma in your life? Is there any ambiguity in your life? We don't really know what that means. We know what a dilemma is, and because we want to get out of it. And we buy something to get out of it, or we adopt something, or we join something, or we believe something. Our whole culture is basically a delivery system of escapes from the dilemma. But we can't escape. So we live in Groundhog's Day. Remember that movie? We keep going around and around doing the same thing over and over again, trying to find out the way through to the other shore, which is, is the mythology of Buddha. The way to the other shore, or the promised land. Of course, in America, there's 2 ways to the other shore. Either the liberal way, which is mean in the future, you can create better conditions and arrive at the promised land in the future, or you go towards the past and restore the golden age, the age that was. You see, this is the Trump conservative way. You restore the promised land, or you go towards the future and create it. But the idea of the promised land is the same. It's the idea that is free from dilemma. We imagine in MAGA, or Trump, is the belief that the golden age, the Garden of Eden, is in the past. Or, in Freudian psychology, in the unconscious. So we have to go there and restore consciousness by solving all the dilemmas of the unconscious, or we get rid of all of the pollution in the present moment that has clouded the purity of the past, you see. Of course, this is racism. So we were the pure land, we were the pure race, the pure people, and we got polluted. So the way to restore purity is by removing the impurities. And in America, every age has new impurities. Right now, we will restore America if we remove the impurities of the immigrants. Oh, the irony, the irony. It is the immigrants that made America strong. So here we are trying to remove the very thing, diversity, that made America strong. And that's insanity. That is insanity. That is sitting on a tree limb and cutting it off while you sit on it. That is, we see these cartoons everywhere. It's absurd. And yet people believe it. Why? They're caught in the ambiguity. They're stuck in the Groundhog Day. And a lot of our movies are all about being stuck. The hero gets unstuck from a dilemma. And the dilemma is usually presented as being out there in the world, like Mission Impossible. So Tom Cruise has a plan that gets you to the other side, but then something happens. Accidentally, some accident happens, and the plan falls apart. Now, he must wing it. Now, he must step out on faith alone and not on a plan. There is no plan now. So he acts on faith alone. This is Indiana Jones. He is always winging it. So our heroes in our movies are heroes whose plan fails and they have to wing it. So where is the promised land in these movies? if you can't use a plan, you can't get to the promised land. Or you get to the promised land when there's no plan. See the dilemma here? I need a plan. I need a practice. I need you to tell me what to do. I need a doctrine to believe in. I need a religion. I need a God. I need a Jesus. I need something to cling to believe in. I can't just wing it on my own, you see. I can't do that because I've been conditioned by my society to believe I can't walk on my own. I've been conditioned to believe by 70 years of commercials that I need a new product or a leader or a new political party or a group or something. I need something to get out of the dilemma. I can't do it on my own, you see. So whether I'm going to the promised land in the past or to the promised land in the future, I need help. We're conditioned that I need a political party to get to the future, or I need a Jesus to restore America, or I need Trump to restore America. See the dilemma? This is dilemma thinking. This is the trap of ambiguity. Ambiguity is a situation where good is bad and bad is good, and no matter what you do, it's no good. And even doing nothing is no good. That is a dilemma. But it's a way of thinking. And we believe it's absolute. We believe this dilemma is reality. We believe that reality is a dilemma. It's even science sees that. Reality is a dilemma, and science will get you out of it, you see. This was the miracle of the age of science, of the age of reason, in the 17th century. Science was a way of getting out of a dilemma that the Middle Ages created, which was by faith alone. So you get this dilemma, whether by faith or by science. Which is the way? But we think we must get rid of one to do the other. So Trump says faith in Trump is the way. The liberals say faith in science, evidence is the way. Is one wrong and the other right? That is the dilemma. That is a dilemma, you see, that we're caught in right now in America, which we are witnessing on media, social media, the Groundhog Day. Faith in Trump or faith in the scientific method. Evidence-based Trump. Faith-based truth or evidence-based truth. These are in conflict because they're incompatible. So we have a misunderstanding of what faith is. Faith is, we believe faith means belief in something that'll save you, that'll tell you what to do. Instructions, faith in the manual. Don't deviate from the manual. But if you're in Mission Impossible, the manual fails. Now what are you going to do? If you're Indiana Jones, the map fails. Now what are you going to do? There is no map. You just step out over the abyss on faith. Not faith in something, but on faith alone. But our culture is divided between faith in something, belief in something, or science. But you see, the right sees that belief in science is not the answer. Because, anyway, I'm running out of time, so we'll keep kicking this can down the road. Thanks for dropping in. I'll be coming up with number, what is this, 3 or 2? I don't know. We'll see. Thanks for dropping in.